And welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you that how to replace this my old bulb to LED light bulb. And now I have in my hand this LED light bulb, and I am planning to install this bulb in my parking lights bulbs. And let's look at what is the bulb size. Okay, and my old bulb is this W5W, this type of bulb. If you have similar, you can do same job. And I install now this LED light bulb. What type is W2.1. And there is this bulb in inner area. And okay, and now really I installed this LED light for parking light purpose, and I removed that old one, this one, where is this light. And there is really important thing that when we install this LED light bulb, what is very durable, that this goes in just right way in here. Because note, now when I install that, and there is no any light, but when I rotate this like 180 angles in another sides, these metallic steel pins, then this works. And this is this miracle thing. And now this LED light works well, and we can look that even closer. Okay, and we really think that why this LED light works only in one way, because this is only this LED lights technology, that lights goes only in one way, and this workable only in certain position. Now it's like wrong position, and when I rotate that 180, then it works well. Okay, and now we have nice parking light. Really check that all lights are working before then we install these covers back, because sometimes it can be happened that some lights are bad, and then we have to repeat and disassemble these cover parts again. Okay, but in my case now everything looks good and we can be happy.